If you're thinking about buying ClickTime, here are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. ClickTime is a solid accounting software option, but it's essential to compare it with other solutions out there to see if it truly fits your needs. First thing to know is that ClickTime is primarily known for its time tracking and resource management features. If you're a small business looking for a way to track employee hours and manage project budgets, it has robust features, but it's not as comprehensive in financial management as software like QuickBooks or Xero. Next thing, ClickTime's user interface is straightforward, making it easy to get started. Unlike some competitors, where you might feel overwhelmed by the number of options, ClickTime offers a clean, simple design, but some might find it too basic for more complex accounting needs. The third thing is pricing. ClickTime offers different pricing tiers based on the features you need, starting with a free trial. However, when compared to other solutions like FreshBooks or Wave, you might find it a bit pricey for what you're getting, especially if you're only looking for basic accounting tools. The fourth thing to note is its integration capabilities. ClickTime integrates well with apps like QuickBooks, which is a bonus for businesses that already use QuickBooks for other accounting tasks. But, unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer as wide a range of integrations across other tools, which might limit its usefulness if you're relying on other software. Next, let's talk about reporting. ClickTime offers standard reports, including time tracking and project reports. However, if you're looking for more in-depth financial reports or customizable analytics, you might find the options more limited compared to software like Zoho Books, which offers highly customizable reporting. The sixth thing is its customer support. ClickTime offers email and phone support, and generally, users report good experiences with the team. However, if you need 24/7 support or extensive help articles, you might find that other software, such as QuickBooks or Xero, provide more comprehensive support options. The seventh thing to keep in mind is scalability. ClickTime works well for small to medium businesses, but if you're a larger business with complex financial needs, you may outgrow its capabilities. Alternatives like NetSuite or FreshBooks offer more scalability for growing businesses with advanced accounting needs. Next, ClickTime's mobile app is decent, but not as feature-rich as some competitors. For instance, QuickBooks offers a more comprehensive mobile experience with a larger range of accounting features on the go. If you need to manage accounting tasks while on the move, other apps might be better suited. The ninth thing to consider is project management. ClickTime includes basic project tracking features, which are perfect for keeping track of billable hours. But if you need a fully integrated project management system, you might want to look into other platforms like Harvest, which offers deeper project management features alongside time tracking. The 10th thing to note is that ClickTime's security features are strong, with two-factor authentication and data encryption. However, if security is a top priority, some larger competitors might offer additional layers of protection, which could be critical for certain businesses. Next, the learning curve. ClickTime is easy to set up and intuitive to use, making it a great choice for businesses that need something that just works out of the box. However, if you need a system that handles more complex accounting and financial workflows, there may be a bit more of a learning curve with other options, like Xero or QuickBooks. The 12th thing to know is that ClickTime is best suited for businesses with specific needs in time tracking and resource management, rather than comprehensive accounting. If your main focus is time management and you have a solid accounting system in place already, ClickTime can be a good fit. But if you need a more robust all-in-one solution, you might find software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks more suitable. So, is ClickTime a good option? Absolutely, especially for small businesses focused on time tracking and resource management. But if you're looking for something with more features or flexibility, consider checking out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.